Here's exactly how I create automated blog posts in under a minute. Here we go. I first asked ChatGPT to give me 15 keywords for the Amtrak train travel niche, and as you can see, this is what it gave me. I then went into the keyword research tool, Ahrefs, and I entered all of the keywords that ChatGPT gave me into the Keywords Explorer search box. All I'm doing here is trying to find low competition keywords so I can easily write a blog post around that topic and then rank on Google. So this is what I got back. Now, KD stands for keyword difficulty. Volume stands for the estimated monthly number of searches for that keyword. Now, what I am looking for is for keywords in the green. That means that there is a good chance that it is a low competition keyword and that I can rank for it. And I also want to make sure that there is enough volume. Enough people are searching for that keyword monthly. Now, if you don't find enough greens, then go over here and then hit on related terms, and that will give you more keyword suggestions. So my research brought me to Amtrak family bedroom as an easy keyword. It does have a sufficient amount of traffic, and so I'm going to go ahead and use my AI writer tool to write this blog post in a matter of seconds. So next, come over to KoalaWriter. This is going to be your new favorite tool for writing all of your blog posts on your website. Start a new project and let KoalaWriter do all of the writing for you. As you can see here, I started a brand new project called Amtrak Family Bedroom. Now I'm going to go ahead and speed this up so you can see exactly how this looks like. Here we go. And there you have it. KoalaWriter did all of my writing for me. Now go to loudmoneymoves.com to learn how to use AI to create an automated blog.